Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
I will show the only reliable ways to zoom a YouTube video using your browser. Use browser zoom with Control plus or Command plus to enlarge the video area to 125% or 150%. You can also press F to enter full screen and get an edge-to-edge view at native resolution. Toggle theater mode to stretch the player horizontally without full screen. Use pinch gestures on a touchpad or trackpad to zoom pages quickly if your device supports gestures. For more precise video-only zoom, use a small bookmarklet that adds CSS transform scale. Create a bookmark with JavaScript document, query selector video, style, transform equals scale 1, 5, document, query selector video, style, transform origin equals center. This sets the video to 150% using scale 1. 5. Change 1, 5 to 2, 0 for 200%. To return to normal. Reload the page or use browser zoom, reset with Control 0. This method affects only the video element and keeps the page layout largely intact. Remember accessibility and image quality when you zoom YouTube videos in your browser. Browser zoom scales the entire page so text and UI also enlarge to 125% or 150%. Full screen combined with native player controls often yields the sharpest picture at your screen size. For frequent precise zooming, install a trusted extension or use the bookmarklet approach with scale 1, 5 or 2, 0. Always check video quality settings and set to 1080p or higher for the best result.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.